Hey guys, it's me. I am in my garage, in my dog store area. I had to get some tiny puppy toys. I don't think they'll know the difference that they're Christmas ones. So, since I have tons of stock, I figured I better go check my garage before I go buy something, because I have to buy a lot of things for these little guys. Anyways, yeah, my vet bills are kind of getting up there, and I still got to get, the other two are going Thursday, and Ziggy goes to the vet Thursday. I know Ziggy needs a dental. His dental's going to be a fortune because he's got some issues. But anyways, so I'm in my garage. I am going to have a sale soon. It's so hot out here. It's like 100 degrees outside, and I have no air in here. So I haven't been able to even open my garage and have a sale out of my garage because nobody's going to want to come over here. It's just too hot. So I'm trying to get it set up. I mean, literally have dog clothes everywhere. As you can see, toys, clothes, more clothes. I got clothes down here. I got more toys. I've got clothes over here. I've got clothes over here. I've got little beds. Actually, I might take that little bed. And then I've got more clothes, leashes and collars. I've got buckets full. So, I will be at some point having a sale. Probably a pop-up sale. I'm just waiting for them to announce a day when we're going to have cooler weather so I can invite people over to my home. Because my garage is wall-to-wall dog clothes. And, not all of them I make, although I do make some things. I do make lots of things. Uh-oh, I hear a dog in here, which means Rosie snuck in. So she's probably going to go piddle somewhere.
Rosie.
Yeah, Rosie snuck in. I kind of figured she did. Like, I make hoodies for the boys. And I make tons of harnesses. Do I have any of my harnesses out here somewhere? Tons and tons of collar bandanas and regular bandanas. What's in here? Leashes. Collars. What's in here? Oh, there's some of the harnesses I made. But anyway, so yeah. And then I have doggy baby blankets too. I am going to probably put some of these up, maybe individually, so I can sell them, so I can raise some funds to cover some of the vetting, because there's a lot of vetting coming up. So at any rate, I just wanted to show you my mess. Yeah, this is my mess, and I have more mess over here. This is all dog clothes. I've got dog clothes, dog clothes, dog clothes. All of those are dog clothes. So we are going to have a big sale. Hopefully someday soon I'll have this all put out, and we'll have a cooler day when I could just have a sale. When I do have the sale, it'll probably be half off of everything. So you'll get a really good deal on most of this stuff. I do sometimes do live sales. I just haven't lately because I haven't been feeling up to it. And every time I do, I get interrupted. So it makes it really difficult when you're trying to do a live sale and their phone rings or pings, or, I get messages or phone calls. So it's kind of better if I sell it individually, but that's hard too because everybody wants me to list this or that or the other. So at any rate, I just thought I'd do a pop-up, and I'm in Nixa, Missouri, so, not a ton of people out here, but there are. Some people will come and visit me, and hopefully we'll sell some things and make some funds. And thank you everybody who's helping me out here, and, I will talk to you all later. Bye. I got the tinies this morning, and Tiny Tim has poop all over his head. You're a poopy head, and I can't even wash you yet because it's not warm enough. So we have to wash Poopy Head because he laid in poop last night. And then we have Pee-wee. Pee-wee is a little rambunctious one. Yes, he is. This one wants to be held 24/7. You could just hold him. That's all he wants. And Pee-wee wants out of my hands as soon as I grab him. So he wants down so he can investigate everything going on. So there's the two boys. Aren't they cute? Yes. Put them down for a second. They're gonna not like that, but oh well. Dang, it's warm outside. Yes, it is. It's warm out here. Waiting for my air to kick in. Off to go get more puppy supplies. Whew, I need little hard toys for them to chew on and a few other things. So of course I'm off. I think I'm gonna go to the pet supply store. And then I'm gonna go visit my little favorite Nevermore Pet Sanctuary. She's got a little puppy pen that I can use for the puppies. So I'm gonna go pick that up because it'll be perfect for them. And I love supporting her anyways. So anyways, I will be back. This is my life. Off again.